How to add a split screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and import the clips you want to use for the split screen effect into the media pool under the Edit tab. Next, drag both clips onto the timeline, placing them on separate video tracks, one on top of the other. Now, select the clip on the top track and go to the inspector panel. Scroll down to find the cropping controls. Use the crop option to trim the right side of the clip, leaving only the left half visible. Then, use the position X control to shift the cropped half to the left side of the screen. After that, select the clip on the bottom track. In the inspector panel, use crop to remove the left half. You can fine-tune the crop and position values to make sure both clips fit evenly side by side with no overlap or gap. If you'd like to add a thin border or dividing line between the clips, create a solid color and position it between the two clips on a higher video track. Finally, play through your timeline to ensure everything looks smooth and the split screen is aligned perfectly. And that's it. Now you know how to add a split screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.